Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Switching from an Android to an iPhone, you used Move to iOS to transfer files, and now you're facing Move to iOS not connecting. In this video, I'll show you the ways on how you can solve this issue. Let's go. There are a few reasons why Move to iOS is not connecting. Device compatibility is a common issue, as your old Android device needs to be running at least Android 4.0, and your new Apple device must have iOS 9 or higher. You may also be experiencing network connectivity issues. If the Wi-Fi signal is weak or the connection is interrupted on either device, the transfer can fail. Another simple cause is incorrect code entry, so it's a good idea to double-check the numbers you've entered. Lastly, outdated software on either your Android or Apple device can interfere with the transfer process, so make sure both are up to date. To fix the problem, follow these simple tips.
Usually, if you are experiencing glitches or errors with your iPhone, the common solution is to perform a force restart. Keep in mind, though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID such as iPhone X, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears.
Next, switch to a stable Wi-Fi network. Then restart the transfer process. Additionally, check your new iPhone or iPad has ample storage for the data transfer. If necessary, clear some space by deleting unwanted apps or files. Ensure also that you update both your Android and iOS devices to the latest operating system versions possible.
If the iOS version installed on your device is outdated, it can affect your device's features. Aside from that, iOS updates usually include regular bug fixes and security patches. So it's a good idea to keep your iPhone updated. To check for a new iOS version, open Settings on your iPhone. Navigate to General and click on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Afterwards, your iPhone should restart automatically with the new iOS version installed. Keep in mind that you need enough storage space left and a stable Wi-Fi connection to successfully install an iOS update. Also bear in mind, some older iPhone models are not able to install the latest software updates. To check if your device is compatible, click the tag in the upper right corner.
If Move to iOS seems difficult, do not worry. There is an excellent alternative for this. This tool doesn't need Wi-Fi. Just plug in with USB for a fast and stable transfer. Plus, it's extremely simple to use, regardless of your tech skills. All you need is your PC. This tool can easily move all your stuff, like photos, videos, contacts, and messages from one iPhone to another, or between your iPhone and your Windows or Mac. You can even move things to or from an Android phone. Another big reason to use it is for backing up and restoring your data. You can make a full copy of your iPhone's data to keep it safe, and if something happens, you can bring it all back, or even choose just specific things to restore. You can get it all by clicking the link I've provided in the description box below and downloading the tool. Make sure to check the tech specifications. To begin the transfer, launch the tool on your computer and select the phone-to-phone option. Connect both mobile devices to your PC. Note that I use two iPhones for this demonstration, but if you're using an Android device, you must enable USB debugging. After connecting, follow the on-screen prompts. Once both phones are connected and trusted, simply designate one as the source. and the other as the target. Click Next, and the tools will be downloaded to your Android if you're using one. Use also the guide to turn off Find My iPhone in the Settings app. When it asks you to do so, set the tool as your default SMS app for now. The software will then guide you to set it back to Messages after the transfer is complete. After setting it all up, choose the files you want to transfer. In the bottom right corner, you can see if there is enough space to store them. Click Transfer to start the data transfer process from your mobile devices and keep them connected until the entire process is complete. To transfer files from your phone to the computer or vice versa, launch the tool first on your PC. Then choose Phone to PC or PC to Phone on the main screen. And click the Next button to move on. Select here the category you want to copy from your source to your target. You can also specify where to store the transferred items in advance. Otherwise, they will be placed on the desktop by default. Afterward, click the Transfer button to start copying the files to your computer or mobile. Depending on the size of the files, this process may take a few seconds or a while. Wait for the transfer process to finish. Once it is complete, go to the selected folder to check the items. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.